Hearing carryover, or HCO, allows people with a speech disability who can hear to listen to the other person on the phone. The HCO user types his or her conversation for the relay operator to read aloud to the standard telephone user.
Hello, Ricky's. This is Dennis.
Hello. A person is calling through the relay service. This is operator 6020. Have you received a hearing carryover call before?
No. What's this all about?
The person is using the relay service to communicate with you. The caller will type their conversation and I will read it to you. When you hear the words "go ahead," it is your turn to speak and the caller will be able to hear you. Please speak directly to the caller and say "go ahead" when you are ready for a response. Thank you. One moment for your call to begin. This is Don McCarthy. My van needs an oil change and a state inspection. I would like to schedule an appointment for sometime next week. Go ahead.
Sure. Could you get it here before 9 on Thursday morning? Go ahead.
Will it take a long time, or may I wait for it to be done? Go ahead.
The oil change is quick and the inspection shouldn't take long, unless we find a problem. Go ahead.
Perfect. See you Thursday. Bye.
711 is the statewide telephone relay number that connects people who use standard telephones with people who use HCO. This relay service allows easier access for relay users, businesses, friends and family of HCO users. This service is available for both English and Spanish language callers. While Wyoming relay services are free, long-distance charges may apply. To learn more about Wyoming Relay Service, go to wyomingrelay.com or call 1-800-452-1408.
Another smart resource from Wyoming Workforce Services.